is for the love of all great Indian weddings. I'm Shinjini and I'll be your shopping assistant, your personal stylist and your host for today. Basically, your bridesmaid. Today we are going to 4 hidden gems in Shahpur Jat. From pastels to bright colors to subtle and bold designs, there's something for every type of bride here. This is my favorite store in Shahpur Jat. Purples, the lilacs, the lavenders. Christina is best at this. This is amazing for the trend of the year, Pantone. So it's not exactly ultraviolet, but this is like my favorite color and it's not very common to find this in Indian wear. Light lehengas at Christina's start at 70,000 and a signature piece like the one I'm wearing would cost 1.3 lakh. Just like the little touches to the store, it's so comfortable. The staff is really helpful, very sweet, and the trial room makes you feel like, you know, you're a princess somewhere. Come try out all these glittering pastels and just enjoy, right? So that's the experience of the store. Just around the corner from Christina's is Avni Kapoor's Quirky Boutique. This is perfect for the bride's mehendi. This is the place for the funky bride. The bright yellow, the bright pink, some bubblegum colors. And I love how she, sort of mixes pastels with these little pop of colors. This is a really nice cape outfit over here. Capes, of course, are really hot right now. The lehengas start at 40,000 onwards. So the collection is cute, young, so is the look of the store, and the prices are amazing for brides. Three words describe this store: red, blue and yellow. This is a beautiful red sari that I picked out. This is perfect for maybe a puja before the wedding and even for your first day as a bride. Anything in the evening, these are really beautiful shades to have. I love that it's traditional with a touch of contemporary to it. The lehengas are priced in the 1 lakh range, while everything else is starting at say about 38-40k. Our last stop for the day is Cubic. This is not the place for someone who likes it soft and sober and subtle. This is for the bold bride. Nothing over here is traditional and the whole vibe of the store is very cocktail friendly. You can get a good gown here for about 1 lakh, while a pre-draped sari will cost you between 25 to 50k. It's perfect for finding your evening, deep colored, modern sort of outfit. I hope this has been a helpful video to you and that I've been able to introduce you to places that you didn't really know about, some new places, some hidden gems, and taken you inside the stores to give you the real vibe of what it's like to shop at Shahpur Jat. Now guys, the day is over. I have tried on many a beautiful outfit, but it's killing my back. I am going to go and book a spa at home service with Urban Clap. I will see you guys next time. Bye.